Hi, this is a quick look at the Accordion widget. And let's talk about what that is. First, we'll add one to our website. And if you look under Show All Widgets, you'll see it down here at the bottom. We'll just add it, and there it is. What the Accordion widget is for is, let's say you want to produce a FAQ for your website, a frequently asked questions, or anything where you have a whole lot of content, but you want people just to kind of read the section headings and not worry about what's inside unless they want to look. And by that, what I'm referring to is like we have here on our own config. Notice that there's panels that open and close. Well, let's do one for your site. Let's add a panel, and there it is. There's our panel, and you notice it opens and closes, and we can come back in here and edit what's inside of it. So let's call it, well, I don't know, how many dogs are there? And then put a little description down here. There are 50 dogs. And this could be a long, many paragraphs. Let's save it and exit. And notice that it's there. Well, by itself, it's not very exciting. But if we add another panel, and maybe and once again, we can edit it and say, how many cats are there? There can be 100 cats. And maybe we make that bigger. You know, we certainly have the option to make the size a little bit bigger. And notice that now we have two different questions and answers, and we could put it onto the page by clicking done, and there it is on our page. If this was a true FAQ and you had long answers, it would get a lot more interesting. But you could also, let's see, come back under panels. You can change the colors. So let's make that top border red and keep the size the way it is and save it. And you notice that now our headings are bright red. So it's under panels where you do that. You can also change the sequence. If you want cats first, let's just go like that, save it, and notice cats are first. We could add another panel and add a panel, and here it is. Let's edit it. And let's say, how about people? And since we're talking about people, let's see if we have a picture of a person anywhere. So what I'll do is drop an image. And here's a perfectly good image. And give it a second and say, here is Bob. Kind of a silly example, but I'm just giving an example of how it works. And I've saved it. We'll give it a second. Notice that there's Bob. And we have that particular one has a blue top. Let's change it by coming down here to color. And let's set it to be red to match the others. Okay. Notice how you've got the sliding content. You can add it to your website, and that's it. You click done, and there you go. You've got it complete with the pictures. I think you'll like it. Try it out. Thank you.